Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to retrieve archive chat on your Telegram account, and now let's dive right in. Now to retrieve archive chat on your Telegram app on your phone, first open up your Telegram app, and over here guys, after opening your Telegram app on the chat section of your phone or your Telegram app, there is the archive chats option available at the top of the list where it says the archive chats. Tap on that and all of your archive chats will be available over here. Now in order to unarchive that chat guys, simply swipe that chat which you want to retrieve to the left, and these options will be available for you. Whereas you can see the unarchive button available for us, simply tap on that unarchive button and then your chat will be retrieved. As you can see guys, I don't have the currently archived chats because all of my chats are retrieved or unarchived. And with that being said guys, this is how you unarchive or retrieve archive chat on your Telegram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.